Premier Roti Maker Demo. Premier Roti Maker is made with stainless steel body, double-layered non-stick Teflon coated plate. Now, from the Premier Roti Maker, quickly and easily, come, let's see how to make puffy roti. Dough preparation. Firstly, take flour quantity as required. Add a little salt. Then add water as required and knead the dough well. Knead it in such a way that the dough should be soft. For puffy roti, this is very essential. See, the dough should be so loose. Firstly, the Premier Roti Maker should be cleaned properly with a dry cloth. Then, insert the 3-pin plug into the socket and turn the switch on. A red light will light up at the bottom portion. This indicates that the roti maker has warmed up. Once the required temperature is reached, the red light will automatically turn off. This takes 5 to 6 minutes. Now take one of the round balls of the dough in your hand and flatten it by pressing the ball. Instead of keeping it in the middle of the roti maker, you should keep it in this corner. Cover the top layer, press it with the handle and remove it. Don't press it too hard. After about 15 to 20 seconds, you will notice bubbles in the roti. Then turn the roti over and let it remain for 15 to 20 seconds. This way you will get puffy roti. If the roti is not puffy, cover the top lid. Nice and puffy roti will push the top lid and come out. Tasty roti is now ready. Premier Roti Maker Tips. Regular user of Premier Roti Maker quickly and easily may get puffy roti. But the beginners may not get this kind of puffy roti. Let's find out what the reasons are. If the flour is not sieved properly or it has not been kneaded properly, then this problem could occur. So make sure that the flour is without bran. Flour should be kneaded smoothly in this manner. The dough should be used only after at least 10 minutes. Many people complain that while pressing the ball, it slips out. To avoid this, keep the roti maker on a level surface. While pressing, the roti should not get cut. For this, make sure that the dough balls are smooth and even. Always remember that the dough is not hard. At the same time, do not press it too hard. Some people feel that while pressing, the roti does not spread completely. This is because the dough is hard. Remember that the dough should be loose and soft like this. A few people ask whether oil can be added. Yes, for taste you can add milk or oil. Pressing method. Keep the Premier Roti Maker on a level surface in such a way that the top lid is to the left and hand lever is to the right. Press it once in such a way that the hand lever touches the top lid. Do's and don'ts. In Premier Roti Maker, steel spatula is not to be used. Only wooden spatula should be used. When the Premier Roti Maker is in on position, then use only the top lid knob and the hand lever. This is the correct way of using. Make sure to insert the 5 amps plug only in the 3-pin socket. If the power cord is damaged, you should not use it. Once it has been repaired, then only use it. Premier Roti Maker should not be used continuously for more than 2 hours. For servicing the Roti Maker, Premier Roti Maker dealer should be contacted. Keep in mind that it should not be dismantled by you or by others. Cleaning method. After switching off, when the Roti Maker is still warm, put little oil on the plate and wipe it clean with a cotton cloth. Do not use water at all for cleaning. With the Premier Roti Maker, not only puffy rotis can be made, but you can prepare variety of dishes. For easily cooked, healthy and tasty dishes, Premier. What else do you want?